What's good, guys? Restoring a 1972 Dodge Demon Part 2. What I'm gonna do to start this episode off is finish up what I didn't do last episode. So that's just getting everywhere. She's almost ready though. This car will be, after I get this, everything nice, looking like that, it's gonna go on the stand, right? And then we're gonna, well, I'm gonna do everything underneath and then paint it. Well, just the engine bay and the underside, paint it. Anyways, better get to work. I'm not gonna video any of this because I want to cut to the chase and want to get this bad boy up on the stand.
2,000 years later.
Alrighty, we're ready to get the car on the hoist. It's so different now when I walk into the shop. I'm like, what? Where's my car? Oh, there it is. It's quite a big change. But I'm so pumped. This is awesome. Got her up on the stand. I'm not gonna get any work done on it tonight. So I'll be switching videos here to a different day probably. Because I just don't really feel like it today. But good thing that we got her up on here. That's awesome. So happy.
3 days later.
From there to there. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be doing some work on her now. Finally that we got her up here. And now what I have to do is clean out most of that. I have to do all that. It'll be fun.
Later.
Okay, I'm gonna be totally honest with you right now. I'm gonna be totally honest with you right now. I've done quite a bit of work on the car and haven't got any of it on video. But I'll show you where I'm at right now. So, if we get a light here, just a second. Okay, so we have all this. It's all, okay, this right here will not, that stuff right there, this like, it's kind of like, I don't even know what it is, but it won't come off. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I still have to do everything around here, but I've got all the middle done. This is undercoating here too, that will not come off. And then I've got a lot done under there and under there. Just like quite a bit done, but I still need to do some more. I have all that done, and then need to do up there, and then there's some rust holes here, which is not good, and then right over here there's a rust hole. That is really not good. So I'll get to finishing the rest now, and I'll get some on video, hopefully. So, yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to finish off this episode is like sandpaper all off the motor and everything. That's what I'm gonna do to just finish this episode. And then after that, I kind of want to clean up because the more I work in here, the dirtier it gets. So yeah, I won't clean up on video because that's just stupid. But I will do my motor on video. And then I basically have everything done underneath, and I just need to, well, except for like these, in the parts that I'm gonna just touch up later. But I basically have everything done underneath, except for a few parts that I have to touch up. And then basically, next episode, I will hopefully be painting the car, like just the whole underside of it, and I will hopefully be painting the motor next episode though. So that should be it other than the motor for today. So let's do it. So, to end this video off, I want to give a huge shout out to 8080 for making people's dreams come true and giving away cars like this. I just got myself entered in the Boss 240 giveaway. I'm hoping for the best of luck. And huge thanks to 8080 because they put so much effort into what they do. It's absolutely amazing. Like the package that this thing came in, it's absolutely stunning how much work they put into this package. Like, it's just a package, right? And I mean, I even got a free sticker with my shirt. Like, I didn't even order a sticker, but I got a free sticker. That made my day. Thank you so much, 8080. Check out that sticker. That sticker was free, and it's awesome. I even got this little card. Congratulations. You are now entered in the dream car giveaway. Awesome, 8080. Thank you so much. Huge shout out to 8080. Go get entered in the contest that they have now. I don't know what it is, but this car is being given away in a few more days, so can't wait. And for the record, I was not whatsoever sponsored to say this. It's just coming from me, giving a huge shout out to 8080 because they're so awesome. So just go check them out. This was not the sponsor. Okay guys, so with that being said, I guess this is the end of the video. Make sure to watch next video because hopefully we will be getting the paint on the bottom and on the motor, and it'll be all fun. So thanks for tuning in. See you next time.